You suffer from plantar fasciitis like I do, you know that you look for any product you can find that helps give you relief. And one of the things that I really found to help me is great insoles. I do a lot of walking and exercising, and I found that these PowerStep insoles worked extremely well for me. I bought this pair, and as you can see, they're pretty worn out, so I needed to replace them. And I was lucky enough that the company gifted me a set so I could talk to you about my experience. I've had this set for over a year now in my walking shoes, and I probably should have replaced them sooner, but they worked extremely well for me. I bought this set because I had a lot of heel and foot pain when I was walking, and it is excruciating. So I really wanted to get a set of new insoles, and these were recommended to me by my doctor. So after a year, you can see that this insole is worn down, and it's more in the support and the padding on the top. This arch support and the heel support is still in really good condition. So these have lasted me for a really long time. These inserts do come in specific sizes, and I bought the size that was meant for my shoe, and it fit really, really well. The thing I love about them is, first off, there's no cutting involved. I got some other ones that I had to cut them too short, and now they're basically ruined. So these fit really, really well. You can see right here the higher arch on these insoles, which is really what you need. You need support in your arches and extra support in your heels, because one of the worst things you could do for plantar fasciitis is walk flat-footed. And even if you're wearing athletic shoes, insoles wear out, and sometimes they're just not supportive enough. And I found when I started using these insoles that it really, really made a huge difference. The company does offer lots of different styles depending on what you need in an insole. These are the sport version, and I just got these this time because they're pink instead of blue, but they're pretty much the same as my other set. I just like the color a little bit better. I understand that these are a higher price point, but after using them for over a year, I can tell you that is definitely worth the investment.